This particular story has to do with 1,000 as well, but there are 1,000 new chargers, level 2, that are being put in place by Florida Electric Power and Light. So the public utility in Florida has committed to placing 1,000 new L2 chargers at over 100 sites across Florida. And they've indicated that their selection will not only be destinations, but businesses and other points of interest, as well as close to some major thoroughfares that they will be placing these 100 sites. So good to see that Florida Power is getting on board. It's always great to see more people installing level 2, which of course at this point is basically a destination charge. It's not really designed for anything like travel. This would be, basically when you're stopping for a while at a mall or a library or seeing a movie. These are great things to top up your charge and continue along your way after spending some time there. So
let me tell you what I saw going on the Virginia coming north. I saw a sign that said EV charging, right? I was like, great. Let me plug in there, go to the restroom, right? Guess what I actually saw when I got there? It wasn't a Magna charger. It was a little more useful than that. Well, the restroom, yes. So anyway, it was a level 1 charger. Like, you open up the flap, and there were wall plugs inside.
Oh,
God. On the highway.
On the highway.
That's awesome.
So, and the sign said, plug in. Step 2, wait 48 hours. Step 3, get back in your vehicle.
It's a destination charger because at that speed, that is your destination.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere. Right.
Having lived in Florida, I want to tell you, there's not a lot of chargers down there. Not a lot of
I'm
chargers.
actually shocked that Florida Power and Light is doing this because there are like non-green,
But wasn't Florida Power the public utility? There was a story in the past about them and solar.
They were fighting solar.
They were fighting it. So have they turned a new leaf, or is this just something different?
This makes you use more power.
Now, if only they could generate power by floods, they'll have the future. Wow.
They would.
Well,
but they'll fight that too because
one of
floods are
those
also
tidal
free.
machines built. They might have a chance there. But I'd certainly applaud the addition of 1,000 chargers in a charger desert, as Mr. Frost has indicated.
It is great to hear things, and I've mentioned before around here, Commonwealth Edison in northern Illinois, and Madison Power and Gas in Madison, Wisconsin, have been pushing chargers and plug-ins, and it is good to see the utilities jumping in and doing something like this. So expand the network and give people, an opportunity to do this charging. So 1,000 more charging points. We'll take them. That's great.